Evening guys, back in office again. Hope we've all had a good new year. This is going to be my first sign of 2022. Roblox, my lad, he's a big fan, so he wants one for his bedroom. It's going to be 15 inch wide by 14 inch high. Going to be done with router again with 0.2mm bit on end, you can see that, yeah. And then a 5mm end bit to do clear art, and then also going to be using my Dremel with a little bit there, you know, to do fine stuff. So yeah, that's another one. Let's get cracked on. then guys, quick recap, it's all done now. Just give it its final coat of clear lacquer, routed all edge off and sprayed that black as well. So we've got a Roblox sign made for my son, which is turned out to be 13 inches high by 14 inches wide. Made of recycled bed frame, pine. Yeah, used route a bit, then cleared it all out, sprayed it all up, clear coated it. So if you like what you see, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit notification bell so you know when I've done my next project and uploaded it. So I'll see you at next one.